How do you backspin on the Jogwheel, though there's a setting but not only found one in option setting at... I backspin by backspinning. I'm not sure what your question is there. So if I'm playing, and I want to backspin, that was an echo backspin, but what I do with them is, and then bring the volume down. I mean, I don't do anything different than that. So if you have something more specific, Matt, about that, I might be able to answer that a little bit better. But I don't set anything to anything. It sets as is. So with the rain, as it's spinning, I just grab the platter as it spins, the motorized platter, and spin it back, and that's it. We just had this long discussion about the rain the other day about slip mats, and I did not realize that the slip mats that they put on the rain is like the butter rugs. And those of you who know what a butter rug is, it's a really good, slippery, thin slip mat for turntables. And they made the one for the Rain 1 like that, with a sticky side and a slippery side. I didn't realize that. I was wondering why one of mine was sticking really bad. It's because I had that thin slip mat upside down. So if you have one of those and you're having trouble, make sure your slip mats that come from Rain, the factory ones, have a sticky side, and it's not much different feeling wise, but man, does it make a difference on that. So hope that, helps you there.